Are you a worker in Western Australia who's been injured at work? If yes, then you need to know the steps to make a claim for workers' compensation. In this video, we'll guide you through the entire process, from seeking first aid to receiving compensation payments. Step 1. Immediately seek first aid and report the injury to your employer. This is crucial as it ensures that your injury is documented and you receive the necessary medical attention. Step 2. See a doctor of your choice as soon as possible and ask for a first certificate of capacity. This certificate is necessary for making a workers' compensation claim. Step 3. Fill out a workers' compensation claim form. If you have difficulty completing the form, speak to your employer. If you are still unsure after speaking to your employer, contact Foyle Legal. We can help you navigate the process. Step 4. Make copies of the certificate and claim form for your records and give the original documents to your employer. Step 5. Your employer has 5 working days to complete their section of the claim form and lodge both documents with their insurer. Penalties can apply to your employer for failing to lodge the claim within 5 working days. Step 6. Your employer's insurer should notify you within 14 days of receiving your claim form. The notification you receive should indicate if the claim has been accepted, disputed, or pended. Accepted workers' compensation claim. If your claim is accepted, you will receive weekly compensation payments if your injury prevents you from working, and compensation for your reasonable expenses. Disputed workers. Compensation claim. If your claim is disputed, no compensation will be paid, and the insurer will advise you of the reason. If you disagree with the insurer's decision, you can approach the insurer to reassess the decision. You can lodge a conciliation application if the dispute is still unresolved. At this point, it's best to get advice from a workers' compensation lawyer to represent you in the conciliation conference. Pended workers' compensation claim. If the claim is pended, the insurer may put your claim on hold pending further information. Many pended workers' compensation claims have to go through dispute resolution process. If your claim is pended by the insurer, it's best to get advice from a workers' compensation lawyer. If you need help with your workers' compensation claim in Western Australia, contact Foyle Legal. Our workers' compensation lawyers offer no-win, no-fee legal representation for qualified clients. That's it for today's video on how to make a claim for workers' compensation in Western Australia. We hope you found this information helpful. Subscribe for more videos like this one.